You can add a customer code from customers module. Go to customers, select transactions, select customer codes. Click add code. You can select the customer name. You can set an expiry date for the quotation. You can select the item. Enter quantity. Enter the selling price. If taxes available, you can select the tax. If you are giving line discount, you can enter the line discount percentage, or you can enter the discount amount. System will calculate the totals. If you want, you can add any notes to this quotation. You can email or print the quotation, or you can save the quotation. In addition to that, you can use inclusive amounts or exclusive amount from this use inclusive checkbox. You can check this, then you can see the this exclusive price will change to inclusive price, and selling price also will display inclusive price. If you uncheck this, system will display the exclusive price and exclusive amount. Furthermore, if you want to view the last quotation details, by clicking this use last quote details, you can get the last quote details. If you want to add more lines, by clicking this green color button, you can add lines, and by clicking this red color button, you can remove lines. And if you want to add any note to this item, by clicking this file mark, you can add details. After that, you can save the customer code.